Moving on to example 5, the figure on the right shows a 4 cm cube. So with this information, we know that the volume is 4 times 4 times 4. What if they have given us the volume and asked us to work backwards? So this is your working. Now, how do you find out 6 cm? Now, I'll need you to find this function on your calculator. So most of you should be familiar with square root. On top of your calculator, you should see in yellow, that means you have to press shift. There should be this function on top. This is called cube root. So that's like square root, but except for cube numbers. So if they have given you 216, key this into your calculator. Press this function and then write 216. And then press the equal sign. You should be getting 6. Can everyone try that now? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to key into your calculators. Okay, so there are two ways of presenting. You can either present it using this function, this number sentence, or you can put this number sentence. But what you cannot do is put cube root of 216 equals to 6 times 6 times 6. This is not correct. So don't do this. Okay? Now we're going to move on to question 5. I'm just going to use a different color so we don't get confused. Let's use purple. The solid figure is made up of 3 cm cubes. So you know the volume of one cube will be 3 times 3 times 3, again 27. Okay. Now we count how many of those cubes we have. This is the volume of 1 unit cube. Okay, I have 3 here, 2 here, another 2 here, 3, 1, and 1. Now, do you need to write this out every time? No, you don't. If you want to mentally count it, that's fine as well. So I'm just going to help you count it for now. I have 6, 10, 11, 12. 12 cubes. So since each one has a volume of 27 cubic centimeters, I will do 12 times 27, and you should get 324. Take note that the units for volume is 324 centimeter cube, or rather cubic centimeters, or if the question is in meters, then it will be cubic meters. Okay, let's move on to question 7 straight away. Let's go back to our regular color. Please write EG if you're going to be confused by what I'm going through. Okay, now they have given us the volume and we are supposed to work backwards to find the length of the sides of a cube. So no problem. Count how many cubes there are first. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so I'll count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if there are 15 cubes in total, and this is the total volume, that means this is the volume for 15 cubes. The volume of 1 cube would then be 120 divided by 15. Okay, so use your calculators if you need to. Your answer should be 8. Now, from volume of 1 cube, how do you get the length of 1 cube? So you can either key in this into your calculator and then write the answer here, or you can present it like 8 equals to blank times blank times blank, and after you've worked it out, it should be 2 times 2 times 2. Answer will be 2 cm.